My name is Tyrone Marby Alexander. I'm out here today because I support that we shouldn't close these mental health and healthcare centers. Not only I suffer from bipolar, I use the resources. There's a lot of people in Chicago that suffers from depression in the state of Illinois and the country. And one thing that touches me is when a lady have a baby, part of healthcare, and she suffers postpartum depression. And then she might accidentally do something to her kid. However, I want people to take a look at that and say, hey, was she getting a proper mental health care or public health care? If she don't have a significant amount of money, she's gonna be at the level where, hey, she can't afford that. So we first in society, we first to take a look at that person and judge that person for what services available we took from there. I'm here to support this cause because I'm a part of them. And I think that the president trying to imply healthcare reform, however, they're trying not to do that here in Chicago, and that shouldn't be the plan. The plan came from the president to here. And we living in a problem and not the solution. It's totally disrespectful to these voters. It's totally disrespectful to the state and to this city. More importantly, to this country. You know, we shouldn't be living like this in a country in days of times like this. We should be wanting more to help people. Healthcare should be very important. Very important. You know, what's next? Hospitals shutting down. I mean, we need to be aware of everything that's going on. Sometimes with all we don't got, we just gonna have to make it work. What's wrong with that philosophy? Do what we gotta do. We Americans. We got to do what we gotta do. We don't wanna hear, there's no money. It's all right, let's do what we gotta do. But let's get some services. Because this is America, and this is the greatest country. I'm not gonna say act, let's live in that. And I mean, it's a shame. It's a shame. We trust these people, we give these people these positions and this kind of authority, and hey, and this is what we get as a society. And it's gonna get worse out here. If we don't take a stand for this, if we don't get a pardon from the President of the United States to keep these centers, we're gonna see more people talking to themselves. The answer ain't jail, because all you doing is putting a Band-Aid on a cut that needs stitches, that need to be stitched up. And what I mean by that, they need some therapy, some counseling, some real help. There's a lot of people walking around here don't know they're HIV positive. And it's some, because they not gonna have health care, because we cutting things. And then we wonder why the young generation don't care. As adults, look how we act. We set an example that we do what we want to do. That's what we do. We set an example as an adult that we irresponsible to not think this is for our next 20, 30 years. Because it's not about us. It's about that next 20, 30 years down the road when we see them, what they gonna do. I don't want them to be messed up. That's a sad situation. So I need to let the president know, the governor know, the mayor know, and all the aldermen. Election day coming, and we coming. Even if in Chicago, it may take some time for you to form different parties. Because the party that we trust in ain't believing in us. Thank you.